Tesla just leaked footage of a car that's about to destroy everything we know about electric vehicles, and it's not what you think. In the next 10 minutes, I'll reveal the radical engineering secrets hidden in Tesla's Model 2 prototype that could slash EV repair costs by 80%, revolutionize how cars are built, and force every automaker to completely rethink their approach to electric vehicles. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this $25,000 car isn't just cheaper to buy. It's engineered to be cheaper to own, repair, and upgrade than any EV ever made. Welcome to Tesla Daily News, where we break down the biggest Tesla innovations before anyone else. If you want to stay ahead of the EV revolution, hit that like button and subscribe for daily Tesla insights you won't find anywhere else. Now, when most people saw the leaked Model 2 footage from Tesla's Fremont factory, they focused on the price point and market positioning. But what they missed is far more revolutionary. Tesla hasn't just built a cheaper car, they've completely rewritten the rules of automotive engineering. And the evidence is hiding in plain sight. Let's start with something that might seem boring but is actually mind-blowing: the wheelbase. The Model 2's front and rear wheels are positioned so close to the edges of the body that it defies everything we know about car design. We're talking about overhangs of just 540 to 580 millimeters at the front and 490 to 520 millimeters at the rear. Compare that to the Model 3's 855 millimeter front overhang and 835 millimeter rear overhang. Tesla has reduced the overhang by nearly 300 millimeters at each end. In automotive engineering, this is absolutely unprecedented. Traditional suspension systems need 700 to 800 millimeters of space from the axle to the car's nose, just to house basic components like suspension joints, cradles, and boxes. With the Model 2's reduced space, Tesla has been forced to integrate the entire suspension and drivetrain directly into their GigaCast front and rear blocks. They've eliminated traditional subframes and mounts entirely. This isn't just innovative, it's borrowed from race car technology. This approach has previously only been seen in high-performance Le Mans race cars, and now Tesla is bringing it to a mass-market EV. The result? A turning radius of less than 5 meters, making this perfect for urban environments in both Europe and the USA. The Model 2's chassis fits perfectly into the A+ and B hatchback segments, promising nimble handling and city-friendly dimensions that traditional automakers simply can't match with their outdated designs. But the wheelbase is just the beginning. Take a closer look at the Model 2's roofline, and you'll notice something strange. There's a sharp break at the C-pillar, creating a 20 to 25 degree angle between the upper roof and rear glass. Unlike the continuous curves of the Model 3 and Model Y, this design signals something revolutionary: a modular approach to car construction. The evidence is right there in the prototype. There's a distinct 55 to 70 millimeter gap between the C-pillar and rear spoiler that doesn't exist in any previous Tesla. The rear roof appears as a separate module, not a solid extension of the body. This is the first physical manifestation of Tesla's long-rumored modular roof architecture, and the implications are staggering. Tesla is planning 3 roof variants for one chassis. The standard metal roof will be a single-layer laminated metal costing just $85 to $110. The full glass roof upgrade will cost $320 to $380. And here's where it gets really exciting: a solar panel roof with 180 to 210 watts of capacity, priced at $600 to $750. Each roof module can be swapped in under 15 minutes using just 4 to 6 mechanical pins and a single data and power connector. This snap-on design even allows for a removable rear spoiler, further enhancing aerodynamics for premium versions. Think about what this means for consumers. You can upgrade or change your roof module after purchase, much like swapping a phone case. For Tesla's manufacturing, this is a game changer. lower base model costs with higher margins on premium variants, unprecedented customization without altering the core body frame, and the premium roof and spoiler can reduce the drag coefficient to 0.21 to 0.22, matching the Model 3's aerodynamics. But Tesla didn't stop there. The rear quarter panels reveal another radical departure from traditional automotive design. The prototype features two clear vertical panel lines behind the left rear wheel, completely separating the rear end from the main body. This is a first for Tesla, and it's revolutionary. The lower rear module includes the bumper, taillights, radiator grills, and possibly auxiliary batteries or sensors. It's designed for quick removal in under 15 minutes, with just 6 to 8 fasteners and a single connector. The upper hatch module contains the rear window frame, trunk hinge, spoiler, air vents, and rear camera, also removable, allowing for multiple configurations. The cost implications are staggering. The lower rear module replacement costs just $120 to $180 for plastic versions, or $300 to $350 with integrated LEDs. These panels can be replaced at home or in local service centers with basic tools. For context, the average rear-end repair on a Model 3 costs $1,840. With the Model 2's modular panels, this could drop to under $400 hours. This modular approach, inspired by supercars and industrial EVs, isn't just about production efficiency. Tesla is optimizing the entire vehicle life cycle. From assembly to accident repair and aftermarket upgrades, the Model 2 is engineered for affordability and accessibility. This puts massive pressure on competitors who still rely on expensive, welded frames. Now, even the paint tells a story. The Model 2 prototype's white paint isn't just a stylistic choice. It's evidence of new manufacturing trials at Fremont. Tesla appears to be testing a heat shield white electrochemical paint that can reduce cabin temperatures by up to 17.6 degrees Fahrenheit when parked outdoors. This innovation could cut air conditioning power consumption by 13%, boosting range by 5 to 7% in hot conditions. But here's the really clever part. Tesla is only painting the midbody with glossy white, while the front and rear sections remain camouflaged. There are no decals or wraps, indicating a true partial painting process. This approach slashes paint booth time from 42 to 45 minutes per vehicle down to just 24 to 26 minutes, a 40% reduction. By painting only the center body shell, about 60% of the surface area, Tesla can streamline production and adapt to different market requirements with ease. They're creating a universal center body for all markets, then attaching different front and rear components for US, European, or Asian markets at final assembly. This post-paint final zoning assembly method is already being tested at Giga Berlin for the Robo-Taxi project. It could double Fremont's production capacity to over 950,000 cars per line annually. With 2 lines, Tesla could produce over 2 million Model 2 vehicles per year from just Fremont and Giga, Texas. Every aspect of the Model 2's design reflects a deliberate strategy to disrupt not just the EV market, but the entire automotive industry. The GigaCast technology eliminates traditional subframes, enabling a compact, agile, and robust platform. The modular roof and rear panels allow for unprecedented consumer choice and easy upgrades. The service-centric design slashes repair costs and democratizes maintenance. The partial painting and modular assembly enable rapid scaling and market adaptation. The Model 2 isn't just about making EVs cheaper to buy, it's about making them cheaper to own, repair, and upgrade. For the first time, Tesla is engineering a car truly for the masses, with a focus on total cost of ownership and user empowerment. Legacy automakers and Chinese EV manufacturers, many of whom still rely on traditional welded frames and expensive repair processes, will find it extremely difficult to match Tesla's new approach. The Model 2's design philosophy could force a wholesale reevaluation of how cars are built and serviced worldwide. This leaked prototype offers a rare glimpse into Tesla's next chapter, a chapter defined by radical engineering, manufacturing innovation, and a relentless focus on user experience. As Tesla continues to refine these concepts, the Model 2 could become the blueprint for the next generation of electric vehicles. The Model 2 isn't just another car, it's a declaration of war on outdated automotive conventions. With its revolutionary engineering, Tesla is not only changing how cars are built, but also how they're owned, repaired, and experienced. The future of electric vehicles has never looked more exciting or more accessible. The Model 2 isn't just another Tesla, it's a complete reimagining of what an electric vehicle can be. What aspect of this revolutionary design excites you most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Tesla breaking news that could change everything.